everybody! On this video, I am going to teach you how to make a simple conversation animation on Scratch. At the end of this video, you are going to be able to make a project just like this one.
Hello there. Hello, my name is Tono. What is your name? My name is Jono. How are you? I am good. Thank you for asking. You are welcome.
Let's get started. So the first step is coding scene 1. So before we start, I just want to introduce you to the sprites. This is Jono, he's wearing a red tie, and Tono is wearing a blue tie. Let's start coding the Jono. So when green flag is clicked, broadcast scene 1. And then when I receive scene 1, it will go to motion, add a position block, go to X, negative 285, and Y is negative 65. And then it will also show, don't forget to add a switch costume to costume 1. So these are the costume for Jono. This is his mouth is closed, and this Jono costume is his mouth is open. Okay, switch costume to costume 1, and then add a show block. After that, also add a repeat until block. Repeat until, go to motion, repeat until X position is equal to negative 35. So it will change X by 5. Okay, let's test it. It's working perfectly, but the effect is just that he's gliding to the X position negative 35. It doesn't look like that he is walking. So to add a walking effect, you just need to add a, when I receive scene 1, duplicate this code, put it here. This time go to motion, add a change Y block, change Y by 20, and then go to controls and wait 0.1 second. Also duplicate it again, and it will also change Y by negative 20, like that. Okay, and then after that add a set Y to negative 65, like that. Let's test it. Click on the green flag, and there we go. We have a walking effect. That looks really smooth. After that, go to looks and add a say block. It will say hello there. And then we are going to use an extension. To add an extension on Scratch, click on this image. Click on it, and we are going to use text to speech extension. Click on it, and it will automatically add this extension over here. Okay, so add a set voice block, put it over here, set voice to tenor. Okay, and then add a speak block, speak. Just copy this and paste it here, like that. And then add a wait block, just wait 1 second, and then add another say block and say nothing, just like that. Let's test it. Okay,
Hello there.
like that. Okay, that works, but the problem is that he doesn't look like he's talking because his mouth is not moving. So to make him look like he is talking, go to events. When I receive scene 1, wait 2 seconds, and then repeat 2 times. Add a switch costume block, switch costume to costume 2, and then wait 0.1 second. Duplicate it and then switch costume into costume 1. Okay, let's test it.
Hello there.
That looks perfectly. So when he said hello there, his mouth is moving
Hello there.
like that. So we are going to move to the next step, which is scene 2. The next step is making scene 2. To start, make sure you are still in the Jono sprite. Under this code, go to events, add a broadcast block. It will broadcast scene 2. And then when I receive scene 2, it will hide. And then go to Tono. To start with Tono, when I receive scene 1, it will set voice to tenor. And don't forget, it will hide. After that, when I receive scene 2, it will switch costume to costume 1. It will go to X30 and Y negative 65. It will also show. And then add a wait block. Wait 1 second, okay? And then go to looks, add a say block. It will say, hello, my name is Tono. What is your name? Okay, I'm just going to copy this, Ctrl C, and then go to text to speech and add a speak block. It's going to speak, hello, my name is Tono, what is your name? Like that. And then it will add a say nothing. Like that. To add a talking effect, when I receive scene 2, it will wait 1 second and then it will repeat 8 times. Go to looks and add a switch costume to costume 2 block. Go to controls and add wait 0.2 seconds. Duplicate this code, put it here, and switch costume to costume 1. Okay? After that, go to events and it will broadcast scene 3. Before we move to scene 3, we are going to work with scene 2 first, okay? Let's test scene 2.
Hello there. Hello, my name is Tono. What is your name?
That is perfect. On to the next step. The next step is scene 3. To start with scene 3, add a when I receive scene 3 block. And then it will hide. And then go to Jono. When I receive scene 3, it will go to X negative 35 and Y negative 65. It will also switch costume to costume 1. And don't forget to add a show block. After that, it will say, my name is Jono. How are you? Okay, I'm just going to copy this, Ctrl C, and then go to text to speech extension and speak. Ctrl V, it will speak, my name is Jono and how are you? Like that. And then it will also say nothing. After that, add another when I receive scene 3 block and then wait 1 second and then go to controls, add a repeat block. It will repeat 6 times. It will switch costume to costume 2. It will also wait 0.2 seconds. Okay, duplicate this code, switch the costume to costume 1, and then go to events, and it will broadcast scene 4. Like that. Let's test it.
Hello there. Hello, my name is Tono. What is your name? My name is Jono. How are you?
And that is perfect. On to the next step. The next step is scene 4. To start scene 4, duplicate this. So when Jono receives scene 4, it will hide. When Tono receives, oh sorry.
Hello, my name is
Let me just hide Tono. So when Tono receives, oh crap. When Tono receives scene 4, it will switch costume to costume 1, and go to X30 and Y -65. So he's going to say, I am good. Thank you for asking. Okay, I'm just going to copy this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V it here, like that. Okay, now when I receive scene 4, it will wait 1 second, and then add a repeat block. It will repeat 8 times. Switch costume to costume 2 block, and it will wait 0.2 seconds. Duplicate this code, put it here. It will switch costume to costume 1. After that, it will broadcast scene 5, which is the last scene. Scene 5. Like that. Okay, let's test it. Click on the green flag.
Hello there. Hello, my name is Tono. What is your name? My name is Jono. How are you? I am good. Thank you for asking.
Okay, on to the next step. So the last step is making scene 5. To start, duplicate this code. So when Tono receives scene 5, it will hide. Switch to Jono, and then when Jono receives scene 5, it will say, you're welcome. I'm just going to duplicate this, copy this, and paste it here. And then it will broadcast new message, and it is wait, you don't need to broadcast anything because this is the last scene. Okay, sorry about that. And then when I receive scene 5, it will go to controls, wait 1 second, and it will repeat 2 times. It will switch costume to costume 2, and then wait 0.2 seconds, and then duplicate this. It will switch costume to costume 1, like that. Oh yeah, don't forget to add wait blocks. Put it here, also put it here, like that. Okay, let's test this animation. Full screen.
Hello there. Hello, my name is Tono. What is your name? My name is Jono. How are you? I am good. Thank you for asking. You are welcome.
Okay, that works perfectly. Anyway guys, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out the project, you could just click on the link in the description. If you want to remix this project, it is allowed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.